Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add divergence theorem equation in Microsoft Word using. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our document. Now we want to add divergence theorem equation. Go to the insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com. Then find the divergence theorem. Then insert it. Now we can see we added the divergence theorem equation very easily. You can edit the equation. Go to the design menu and edit it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.